Welcome to our video on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. If you're looking for a way to make money online, affiliate marketing can be an attractive and lucrative option. In this video, we will explain what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can start making money by promoting products and services from other companies. So, if you're ready to learn more about how to take advantage of this online business opportunity, keep watching. Affiliate marketing is an online marketing strategy where a person, the affiliate, promotes products or services from other people or companies, the advertiser, and receives a commission for each sale made through their affiliate link. In other words, the affiliate promotes someone else's product or service, and if someone buys the product or service through the affiliate link provided by the advertiser, the affiliate receives a commission for the sale. This commission is usually a percentage of the sale value. Affiliate marketing is popular among bloggers, digital influencers, and content creators in general because it is a way to make money online without having to create or maintain their own product or service. Instead, the affiliate promotes someone else's product or service and earns money from it. To become an affiliate, you need to sign up for an affiliate program, which is offered by advertisers. The affiliate program provides the affiliate with a unique affiliate link, which is used to track sales and pay commissions. The affiliate then promotes the product or service using the affiliate link in their social media posts, blog, or other digital marketing channels. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online because it can be profitable and relatively easy to get started. However, it is important to choose quality affiliate programs and promote products or services that are relevant to the affiliate's audience, so there is a higher chance of conversion into sales and profit. In the United States, there are many popular affiliate marketing programs. Here are some of the most well-known. Amazon Associates. Amazon's affiliate program is very popular in the United States, as well as worldwide. As an affiliate, you can promote Amazon products on your website or blog and earn commissions on sales made through your affiliate link. ClickBank. The ClickBank platform is very popular in the United States and offers a wide variety of digital products to promote. Affiliates can earn commissions on sales made through their affiliate link. ShareASale. It is an affiliate network that offers programs in various niches, from fashion and beauty to finance and technology. Affiliates can promote products from multiple advertisers and earn commissions on sales made through their affiliate link. Commission Junction, also known as CJ Affiliate. It is an affiliate network that offers a wide variety of affiliate programs in different niches, including fashion, technology, finance, and more. eBay Partner Network. eBay's affiliate program allows affiliates to promote eBay products and earn commissions on sales made through their affiliate link. Google AdSense. While not technically an affiliate program, Google AdSense allows publishers to earn money by displaying ads on their website or blog. The ads are relevant to the website's content, and publishers earn money whenever visitors click on an ad. These are just a few of the popular affiliate programs in the United States. It is important to research and find programs that are relevant to your niche and target audience, so you can promote products that truly interest your audience and maximize your profits. There are several ways to promote your affiliate program links and promote products from other companies. Here are some of the most effective ways. Website or blog. One of the most common ways to promote affiliate programs is through a website or blog. By writing reviews or articles about the products you are promoting and including your affiliate links in your content, you can attract visitors interested in buying those products. Social media. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are great platforms for promoting affiliate products. By sharing relevant content and including your affiliate links in your posts, you can attract followers interested in purchasing those products. Email marketing. Email marketing is an effective way to reach your leads and promote your affiliate links. You can send newsletters or promotional emails that contain your affiliate links and offer incentives for your leads to click on those links and make a purchase. Paid advertising. Paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads can help you reach a wider and more targeted audience. You can create ads that direct people to your affiliate links and thus increase the chances of making a sale. Videos. Videos are a popular way to promote affiliate products. You can create informative or review videos about the products you're promoting and include your affiliate links in the video description or annotations. These are just a few ways to promote your affiliate program links and promote other companies' products. It's important to remember that the choice of marketing strategies depends on your target audience and the products you're promoting. It's always important to maintain transparency and ethics in your affiliate marketing practices by clearly and honestly disclosing your links to your followers. In this video, you learned about affiliate marketing, an online marketing strategy that allows you to promote other companies' products or services and receive a commission for each sale made through your affiliate link. We've seen how it works, how to get started, and some of the companies that offer affiliate programs. We've also discussed some of the most effective ways to promote your affiliate links, including through a website or blog, social media, and email marketing. Affiliate marketing can be an attractive and profitable option for those looking to make money online. I would like to thank each and every one of you for watching our video. It's always a joy to see so many people interested in our content and dedicating their time to follow us. If you liked what you saw, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Also, leave a comment below and share your opinions and suggestions with us. We love hearing feedback from our audience and we work hard to improve always. Once again, thank you for watching and we hope to see you again soon. Until next time.